Hola, hola. Hi, everyone. We are Topo and Carla. We are here in Kathmandu.
Or Carla and Topo.
Ay, Topo, me dejas pensando. ¿Qué me va a dar? Hola, hola. Hi, everyone. We are Topo and Carla. We are here in Kathmandu. We just arrived a couple days ago. And we are just about to start our expedition to Dhaulagiri.
As in the beginning of every expedition, now we are in the craziness of organizing the gear. It has been 2 years since the last time we climbed a mountain in the Himalayas, so we have lots of equipment to organize, clean, make sure that we have everything from the food to all the technical gear, the layers that Bauer sent to us, and it's been a little crazy, but also super exciting to be doing this after so long.
Why are we delayed?
One day before base camp,
Oh, okay.
there's been a landslide. Big enough to be concerning for the mules or the horses. I mean, the horses are probably not concerned.
More than the fitness is like I'm thinking, oh my god, we are at 0 meters and we have to fly to 4,500 meters in a push and stay there, you know? And sometimes just in my mind is like, we must be careful with that, you know?
I mean, this is a
Yeah.
climbing expedition.
Yeah.
It's not like taking a cruise ship to like the Caribbean. This is like crazy, adventuring.
The road washed.
Like exactly
That's
in the
what's
middle
funny.
of nowhere, right?
A road to the middle of nowhere.
But
It's hard. It's hard to just trust and flow, but then I think it's the best way to do things in life. To, of course, push and try hard and, try to do the best way, but also trust when things go slow or whatever.